If your GoDaddy Managed WordPress site is showing errors and you want to actually find out what's going wrong, the first thing you need to do is enable and check your error logs. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix GoDaddy Managed WordPress error logs, view the debug log, and find the information you need to troubleshoot your site faster. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress and hosting fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for My Products. If you're using Managed WordPress, go to My Products, then Managed WordPress, and click Manage. If your site is on standard hosting instead, you may need to go to My Products, then Web Hosting, and click Manage from there. The goal is to get into the hosting area where your WordPress files are stored. From the hosting dashboard, look for cPanel Admin and open it. Inside cPanel, you'll want to launch File Manager. This is where you can access the files that control how WordPress runs. In File Manager, navigate to the public_HTML folder. That's usually the root directory for your website. Then find the wp-config.php file. This file controls a lot of your WordPress settings, so be very careful when editing it. Before changing anything, it's always a good idea to make a backup of the file. If something goes wrong, you can restore it quickly. Once you've opened wp-config.php, add these 3 lines near the bottom, usually just before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." Define wp-debug true, define wp-debug.log true, define wp-debug display false. These settings tell WordPress to turn on debug mode, save the errors to a log file, and keep the errors from showing publicly on your live site. That last part is important because you do not want visitors seeing raw error messages on your website. After adding the code, save the file and close the editor. Now WordPress is configured to create a log file when an error occurs, but the log usually won't appear until the site actually triggers an issue. So the next step is to visit your website in the browser. Open your domain like normal and load the page that is causing the problem. This action forces WordPress to generate the error information. Now go back to File Manager and open the WP content folder. Inside there, look for a file named debug.log. That is your WordPress error log file. Open it and you'll see a list of warnings, notices, fatal errors, or plugin and theme-related problems. This log can help you identify exactly what is breaking your site, whether it's a plugin conflict, theme issue, missing file, or a server-side error. If you don't see the file right away, refresh the folder or repeat the page visit that triggers the error. Sometimes the log only appears after WordPress captures a new problem. Once you have the log, you can copy the error message and use it to troubleshoot the issue more accurately. In many cases, the log will point you directly to the plugin, theme, or function that needs attention. And that's how you fix GoDaddy Managed WordPress error logs and view the debug log the right way. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more WordPress tutorials, hosting guides, and easy website fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.